These music video motion elements will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Now click on Add. Give the path of downloaded and extracted motion graphics templates folder. Click on Select Folder. Click OK. Here all templates are installed. Place any template on the timeline. Go to the Edit tab. You can change motion elements' position and size from here. You can duplicate and make many copies. Place them randomly. Change motion elements color from here. To increase its speed, go to Speed Duration and change speed value. That's it. Thanks for watching.